Hello everyone, I'm Joe from University of Wolverhampton. We are a UK university based in West Midlands in the UK. We're a very centralized university and comprehensive. We are holding the Asian session and open day event in Islamabad today on the 2nd of July at the Ramada Hotel. And our next session will be in Lahore, the Nishat Hotel, and it's going to be this Thursday on the 4th of July. We'll welcome all the potential students and even current holders, orphan holders, to join our events today at Islamabad and on Thursday in Lahore. Thank you and looking forward to seeing you.